got stuck in a metal gate. Watch until the very end how he got free. Before we proceed, please subscribe if you love dogs and for more rescue dog stories. This poor pup was stuck, head caught tight in a metal gate. A concerned passerby notices and rushes over. Passerby gently talks to the dog, trying to calm it down. First step, calm her down. Passerby assesses the gate, then carefully maneuvers the dog's head. A little wiggle, a gentle twist, every second mattered. The dog finally slips. And then, freedom. One kind soul, one brave moment. Heroes walk among us. Be kind, be alert. You might save a life.